Welcome back or welcome here for the first time. If you're watching this video, you may be struggling with some thoughts that are harmful to your well-being. As always, I urge you to seek professional help if you need so. And I'm here to assist you with doing some tapping that may bring a little bit of emotional relief, which, as we know, ties to physical well-being as well. So if you are someone that feels like you've been telling yourself things, people have been telling you things in the past, you've heard things from someone you loved or strangers, anybody, and it's weighing you down, it's causing you conflict in your mind, and it's keeping you from experiencing joy, then maybe you will benefit from this. All you have to do is repeat after me and tap where I tap. Right now you can see where you're feeling on a scale of 1 to 10 emotionally. How painful are these thoughts and these words that you've heard from people? And let's see if we can bring that number down by the end of this tapping session, okay? So, here we go. Accepting full responsibility for my own well-being. Even though I've got these harmful thoughts floating around in my mind, I deeply love myself. Even though I've got these harmful thoughts floating around in my mind, I deeply accept myself. Even though I've got these harmful and painful thoughts floating around in my mind, I deeply love, honor, and accept myself. There's just so many thoughts. There's just so many painful thoughts floating around in there. Far too many painful thoughts right now. And this stuff is really bringing me down. But the good news is, I'm tapping right now to let it go. All of those painful thoughts and memories, all of those painful words that I've been told, all of those times someone said something hurtful to me. Right now, I'm letting it go. I'm letting it go all the way down. Inside and out. Every single cell and ounce of my body, I'm letting it go. Because I got a lot that's gotten trapped inside of there. So many painful words and memories. So many painful words and thoughts floating around in my mind. And it feels like they are such a burden to me. I'm so tired of them weighing me down. I'm so tired of those painful words holding me back. I'm ready to experience joy. I'm ready to experience peace. I'm ready to experience happiness. So I'm letting all of that hurt go. Part of me saying, but there's just too much to let go. How could I possibly release years of painful words? Maybe there's a reason that I keep hanging on to this stuff. Maybe I won't know who I am if I let it go. And I'm releasing that fear right now. I'm releasing any fear related to this painful situation. I'm releasing any fear that's coming up right now. Because I know if I could just get a break in my mind, man, that would be relaxing. To forgive everyone for all of those hurtful words. Forgiving myself for believing them. And this is no time to put blame on top of everything that's going on. I don't need to create layers and layers around this. So I'm letting all of that resistance go as well. I'm forgiving myself right now for holding on to this. And as hard as it is, I'm forgiving everyone that said hurtful things to me in the past. And I'm not asking for a perfect life. I'm just tired of being bogged down with this stuff. So right now I'm doing something about it. Right now I'm breaking that pattern. I'm creating a new pathway for new thoughts. And I'm starting to feel better. I'm starting to believe that I have hope. I know I have a lot of love to offer the world. And I bet there's a lot of people that love me as well. And any doubts I have about that, I'm letting that go right now as well. I'm letting go of all of those hurtful words. I'm letting go of all of those harmful thoughts. I'm not going to let them stand in the way of my joy anymore. I am taking my power back right now. And this may happen little by little, but that's okay with me. Because I'm actually putting effort into myself right now. And this is self-love. And I deserve it. I know these thoughts can weigh you down. I've been there, and I've been so incredibly low before that the thing that actually gave me hope was that I couldn't get any lower. So I thought, certainly it's got to get better than this moment, because I really felt I could not get any lower. So if you're feeling that way, please know that you're not alone. If you're feeling, desperate or like you need to talk to someone, please, and thank you for talking to someone. I really appreciate that. I think all of us have had friends or family members, even people that acquaintances that we knew that really needed help. And thank you so much for reaching out. I'll put a link below so you can have some numbers to contact if you don't know of anyone to contact. I think your life is worth living. I love you. Have a great day.